Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning. I'm right here in Clearwater, trying to relax a little bit after work. I'm maintaining my distance, 6 feet apart from everyone. I love to come here to relax, to think, to reinvent, to gain more energy. This video is especially for you. I wanna see you, and I wanna thank you for visiting our channel to support this cleaning business. We just got 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm really grateful and happy. Everyone is happy for that. Thank you. And also, I want to tell you that I miss my family that is in my country, in Peru. I miss the people that I love, that I can know, mingle that close. But I have you. Thank you for visiting our channel, to subscribe, to comment. Everything that we do is with all our hard work and with our love, because we really love the business. We really love to do what we do. This is Clearwater in Orlando, Florida. This season, with the coronavirus pandemic, it was hard for everyone. I didn't lose the client, but some people postponed our services, and it was hard. I received one call from Mercedes, and it's an old lady. She's really good. She's awesome client, and she told me she tried to postpone for so many weeks at the beginning, and I completely understand, you know. And she called me and said, Fiorella, I know that canceling the cleaning services, it will hurt not only you as a company, and I know that you bought a new car, but it's gonna hurt the people that help you. And I was sad, you know, but I understood. But at the same time, I was happy, really happy, because she didn't have to think about us, like our debt, or the company, or the car. But she knew that it's gonna be hard for us, and it's hard. We keep another kind of clients that they don't have like babies, or they don't have, they're no old people or senior. And I really want to thank you. I don't want to mention each client, but if you are watching, and I'm gonna put it in Facebook because I really want her to see this video. I really appreciate that you maintain it as a cleaning business, that support our service. I really want to thank you that every time you try to compensate in any way everything that we do, giving us some tips or extra cash, and I really appreciate that. We need it. Beside that, I want to thank you for everything. You are my family. The people that work with me are my family, are my friends. And you, even though I don't know you in person, you that are in YouTube, you also are my family, because you are part of my business and you are part of my every single day. Thank you for the 4,000 subscribers in YouTube. I'm really happy. Just relaxing. Take care. Bye.